When we are successful, and we will be, we have a real chance at this new world order.
New world order.
New world order.
New world order. New world order. A new world order.
New world order.
New world order.
New world order.
I believe we, and particularly you, your class, has an incredible window of opportunity to lead in shaping a new world order for the 21st century. New world order.
The affirmative task we have now is to actually create a new world order.
A new world order.
We have before us the opportunity to forge for ourselves and for future generations a new world order. When we are successful, and we will be, we have a real chance at this new world order.